Hey everyone, welcome back. Just a quick update on the printer. It's been running beautifully with consistent, failure-free prints so far. Here are some video snippets of the recent prints.
Three, two, one, go!
I'm currently working on building an enclosure because I'm itching to print ABS, which really requires an enclosure for best results. Let's briefly talk about why enclosure is important, especially for materials like ABS. ABS is notorious for warping due to sharp temperature drops. An enclosure ensures that the temperature stays constant, significantly improving layer adhesion and reducing the risk of delamination. Plus, also don't forget about the fumes. ABS emits unpleasant VOCs during prints. With a closed chamber, I can either trap them or filter them using a simple exhaust system. About the enclosure, it's still under construction. I am sourcing MDF panels and a glass top. The plan is to insulate the chamber properly and also mount a sensor to monitor chamber temperature and eventually link a small exhaust fan with filters for fume extraction. My goal is to get it ready before I run any ABS prints, maybe in the next video. Even with PLA and PETG, you get secondary benefits from having an enclosure. Prints generally have fewer droopy bridges thanks to reduced drafts, and there is less dust in the linear rails and gears, and overall environment is noticeably quieter. Often people skip enclosures thinking they are only for ABS, but it's a great upgrade regardless. Once the enclosure is installed, I'll proceed with temperature calibration, aiming to maintain a 50 to 60 degrees Celsius inside the chamber. I'll also print some ABS parts starting with calibration blocks, and at last a fume extraction system and test it for longer running prints. As you can see, the quality has been very consistent. Sharp corners, smooth walls and no visible warping. Thank you all for following this project. I'm really excited to move to the next phase. ABS printing is going to unlock a whole new level of print quality and reliability. Thanks again for catching up. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are enjoying the build series. See you in the next video. Until then, happy printing.